Fellow instructors and wannabe instructors, Jeffrey Mr. Tech Raskin here. So here's what's going on this week. It's the IDW class, Instructor Development Workshop. You all need it to stay an instructor, and I will give you all of my tech tips that I've been using for the last 19 years to teach thousands of my fellow agents, your fellow agents, how to truly kick butt in their instructor techniques. Let me know if you have any questions. Sign up for the course. I promise you it will change the way you conduct your real estate instructor business. Let me know if you have any questions. See you at the class. Thank you very much and check you out.